Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really special to unbox and explore. It's the Apple Watch Ultra, and I can't wait to crack this open and show you what's inside. So without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So here it is, the Apple Watch Ultra 49mm. As always, Apple has gone for a minimalist and sleek packaging design. Apple's also known for its attention to detail, and as you open up the packaging, you're presented with a booklet that highlights the different types of bands you can get, a quick start guide, and warranty information. There are two different boxes inside the packaging. One will have the watch and magnetic charging cable, and the other one will have your band. Let's crack open box one. One of the most satisfying parts of any unboxing, peeling off the seals or a fresh screen protector. There's just something about it. Inside this box is the magnetic charging cable and the watch. The first item you're going to see here is just the magnetic charging cable, so nothing too exciting to report on this. Now, taking out the watch, here's the star of the show, the Apple Watch Ultra itself. It's beautifully presented and you can immediately feel the quality when you pick it up. First impressions though, it's big. That's a 49mm display right there, making it one of the largest smartwatches on the market. I personally have skinnier wrists, so I'm not sure how this will end up looking on me. The casing is made of titanium, and you can feel the sturdiness without it being too heavy, so it's definitely a great balance of durability and comfort. Now to box 2, which is the band, and in this case we have the yellow beige trail loop, which is in my opinion a very interesting color combo. It definitely wouldn't have been my first selection, but I bought these as a last minute anniversary gift, and that was all they had in stock. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. Now let's take a closer look at the watch itself. Number 1, the display. Now the display is obviously where you interact with this gadget the most. It's a gorgeous 1.92-inch OLED panel, sharp and vibrant screen, with an always-on Retina display. Up to 2000 nits brightness. Number 2, health and fitness features. This watch is like your personal health buddy. It's equipped with an ECG app to measure your heart's electrical activity and a blood oxygen monitor to check your O2 levels. It also has sleep tracking and temperature sensing abilities. It's like a tiny health clinic on your wrist. A few safety features for this watch include the ability to detect if you were in a car crash or if you were to fall and become unresponsive. In those cases, a call to emergency services will be placed automatically. Now I'm not sure how much Life Alert costs, but this might be a nice watch for your parents or grandparents. Moving on to number 3, and I call this section Features for the Explorers. So not sure I'll be using these features anytime soon, but we'll just have to wait and see. First up, the watch is waterproof and rated for up to 40 meters for you divers out there. It also features an updated compass that looks pretty cool. And it also has a precision dual frequency GPS system that provides amazing accuracy even in the most difficult locations. And this big orange button on the side of the watch is called your Ready for Action button, and it's going to give you quick physical control over a variety of functions. It's also customizable and can do things like control a workout, mark a compass waypoint, or begin a dive. So just like when you and your significant other are trying to decide on what to have for dinner, there's just too many options. Number 4, performance. Under the hood, the Apple Watch Ultra is powered by Apple's S8 chip, which means it's blazing fast. Apps open in a snap, and navigating through the menus feels super smooth. So whether you're tracking a workout or sending a text, this watch handles it all with ease. And you also get 1GB of onboard RAM and 32GB of space to store all of your music, apps, and more. Number 5, battery. Apple is claiming up to 36 hours of use on a single charge. They state that would include 180 time checks, 180 notifications, 90 minutes of app use, and a 60-minute workout with music playback from Apple Watch via Bluetooth. That's all over the course of a 36-hour period. Number 6, software. It runs on Apple's watchOS, which has a vast app ecosystem. You can find apps for fitness, productivity, entertainment, you name it. And if you're into fitness, Apple's Fitness Plus is seamlessly integrated, offering guided workouts. Number 7, connectivity. When it comes to staying connected, this watch supports your typical Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, and also the cellular option if you choose to add it to your cell phone plan. This will obviously give you more freedom to roam around without having to be near your phone all the time. This would typically come in handy at places like the gym, so I will more than likely not be adding the watch to my cell phone bill anytime soon. Number 8, price. Now let's talk money. At $799, this watch is far from cheap, which is to be expected as it's Apple's premium offering in this category. You're paying for top-notch quality, features, and of course that beautiful Apple logo. No, but in all seriousness, I do believe that most people who buy items like this never truly utilize it to its full potential. And honestly, that's just because those additional features that you're paying for don't fit most people's lifestyle. So in my opinion, most people would be much better off buying the Series 8, which has most of the key features people would be interested in, and costing about half the cost of the Ultra. So, to wrap up, the Apple Watch Ultra is a beautiful looking smartwatch, let's be honest. It excels in things like health tracking, and if you are a world explorer / deep sea diver, this watch should be at the top of your list. It offers snappy performance and seamlessly integrates with Apple's ecosystem. But if you're not locked into the Apple world, or you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might want to explore other options. And that wraps up our review of the Apple Watch Ultra, including all the specs. If you found this video helpful at all, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I would truly appreciate it. Have an amazing day.